Millwall 2004 against Man United.
Oh, a seagull's gone down, Simon.
Oh dear.
The sorts of sounds that seagulls aren't supposed to like. Well, one's got through the trap, unfortunately. He's in safe hands now.
Well, they'd be pretty safe in those big hands. Danny Vukovic.
Yeah, he's giving it a pat too on you, Danny.
Well, that's a good thing.
What a great sign. Now, Fox Sports cameras all over.
He's going to become the official mascot, surely.
He is. Is he going to pass the concussion test for the weekend's fish and chip wrap?
Amy Park. We can see him there. He looks pretty chilled out, smiling for the cameras, but then he flew to freedom. So a bit of an unconventional release, you'd say, gents.
Yeah, let's hope he doesn't get it.